6 hours later.
Yeah, my laundry room. Yep, this happened. I got 17 girls in here. It'll be okay. They're safe now. I'm not losing any more birds. What are you girls doing? No, you're not coming out in my house. So, turn this old cat tower into a perch. And Star there seems very happy with herself. Alrighty. Well, y'all have a good night. We love you. They're trying to get settled in. It's been a long, hard, cold day on them. But they're active again, and they're moving, and they're not lethargic, and they're getting food and water. And no more trips for us out in this stuff.